Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Lead poisoning. What are the hematological manifestations of lead poisoning? In the hematological manifestations, first you will see sideroblastic anemia is seen in the patient. There is sideroblastic anemia with hemolysis is seen in the patient, and there is punctate basophilia is also seen. So these are the three characteristics. In lead poisoning, we will see sideroblastic anemia, hemolysis, and punctate basophilia is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.